Hello my dear student, this is your S.st class and your Kiran ma'am is available for discussion. Today's topic is ecosystem. Coming before this point, we should memorize about environment. Then it will be easy to understand. So, we should discuss about environment. Environment is a combination of living and non-living things. I repeat, environment is combination of living and non-living things. Yes, then ecosystem is interrelation of living and living and ecosystem is interrelation between living plus living things and living plus non-living things. Let me clear. Living plus living. Here is living plus living and here is living plus non-living things in a particular area. It means there is a deep relationship between environment and ecosystem. Environment contains much of ecosystems. Ecosystem is interrelation between living and this is interrelation between, interconnection between, interaction between living and living things. It is interconnection between living and non-living things in a particular area. There is numbers of ecosystems available in our environment. As you know, environment is represents by many phases. Phases are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. So, numbers of ecosystems are available in atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Is it clear? It may be anywhere of environment. It may be available in numbers of things. Numbers of ecosystems are available in our surrounding. One more point is important that the size of ecosystem is very varies. It means changed. It means it may be small, it may be large. You can see an example. Just suppose that we are going to our school garden. What are the things you will find there? You can find there soil, worms, plants, flowers, flower pots, butterfly, insects, grass, lizard. Yes? Now we have to know what is the relation between these things is called ecosystem. This is the main point. So, soil is going to fertile with the help of worms. Worms is available in soil. Its accommodation is depend on soil. Plants are existing in soil. After fertility of fertile, it may be fertile effect on plants. development is depend on fertility. Second, flower. Flowers are the part of plants. Flower pot, it contains plants. Butterfly. Butterflies are getting their food from flowers. Next, insects. Insects are also get their food from soil, from grasses, and accommodation of insects are possible in the presence of soil. Next, lizard. Lizards are existing in our school garden, and they hide inside the flower pot, inside the plants, inside the grass for save their self, for protect their self, and they eat insects. So we can see the interrelation between these things. This interrelation and dependency is called ecosystem. Is it clear? We can see the large example of ecosystem. Here we can see another example of ecosystem. There is a difference. Difference is that example was for small ecosystem, and here we can see big ecosystem. We can see this is an ocean, and sharks, other kind of fishes, turtles, octopus, seahorse, snail, starfish, plants are available in this ecosystem. And we know that each and everything that is living or non-living environment, that is biological or physical environment, are connected with each other, and they are totally dependent on each other. So this is the large ecosystem. We can analyze that ecosystem is the important part of our environment. We should also follow it. So next classes I will elaborate it